So, what is today's alphabet of success? Good morning, rock stars. Coach Borino with you on this drizzly, I don't want to get killed here, drizzly Tuesday. How are you guys? Are you ready for another letter of the success alphabet? What we do is every one of these little short inspirational videos, motivational videos, we count down what are the important tools in your toolbox to crush it, to make 2020 your year. And today's letter, we are on letter R. And R, other than rockstar, stands for resilience. Resilience. Rock stars, people who crush it, people who do well, people who succeed, people who get the listings, who get the clients, who make the commissions, who have the freedom, have more resilience. Resilience meaning the ability to overcome rejection, emotions, anger, frustration, boredom. All of these are part of this crazy business. You know how it is. Resilience. Having the ability, in spite of the obstacles, difficulties, and challenges, competition, not knowing exactly what to do, not knowing exactly what to say, being willing, being committed, and pushing forward no matter what the circumstances. Whether it's crazy, stupid weather like we have here in Washington, D.C., or it is clients, they can be sometimes difficult, who can be challenging. Life in general, having the resilience, being so focused, being so determined, I'm going to be the best at this. Not the best in the world, just the best in my area. And best just means a little better than your competition. Having the resilience to make the little extra effort, a little more prospecting, a little more follow-up, a little more role-playing that will get you over the edge, over all the other agents you compete with. Because I'm here to tell you, friends, 2020 can be a phenomenal year. For many of you, already is. But you have to have resilience. That's the magical word for today. Focus on it today. Think about it today. Keep Borino in your mind today. And think, when you're ready to quit, give up, or you have these negative emotions, the drunken monkey, the little asshole that chats in your head sometimes. We all have that. Think that word. Resilience. Resilience. I am resilient. Say it out loud with me. Come on, do it. I am resilient. Come on. I am resilient. I am resilient. Repeat that every time you need that little oomph today. Make it a productive, profitable rockstar day. Thank you very much for watching. Now go out and get them. Plenty of clients out there waiting for you. You just need to find them, convert them, and help them. I'll talk to you real soon. Coach Borino signing off. Let's go get them. Ciao.